without wasting much of your time, let me show you how I achieve this simple flyer design using PIXELLAB. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because whenever I upload any interesting videos like this, YouTube will notify you. So first thing I did, click on default, and then let's get the background size I used for that design. Click on here and then click on from gallery. So this is the size I used, 1023 by 1280. So change the background color to pure white. So let's import the resources we used for this design. I'll click on my resources, and then yeah, this is it. Now let's import the design and then use it as reference. So this is my designs. Oh, sorry. This is it. So let's place this here, and then this is the resources I used. So you can just place it. So I got these resources, I downloaded it from FreePick. So place this here like this, and then you can come over to erase, increase this, and let's erase like this. So that was how I achieved this. You can lock it up, and then go to shape, go to gradient, click on this rather, this first one, reduce it like this, and reduce it like this, and drag it like this, and then you can place it somewhere here like this. So that is it. So go ahead and log this. So the next thing I did, let me import the logo I used. So this is the logo I used. Can crop it like this, and then reduce it like this. So now let's write. So let me pick this color. So this was the color green. This is it. So let's change the font to this font jumper. Yeah. So reduce the size and then place it here. You can still reduce the size of this. So you can come over to line spacing, and then yeah, that is it. So to make sure you've gotten a perfect arrangement or alignment, you can just enable your grid line, and that is it. Yeah, perfect. So go ahead and lock the boot. So the next thing I did, let me copy this and write presents. So go to padding and increase it, change the color to black, and then change the font to, so I think this was the font I used. Yes, increase the size, place it here, and then bring this down. So that is it. So the next thing, let's click on this text, copy it, and then write meeting, then increase the size to something like this. So go to color and go to gradients, then choose this. So come to spacing and something like this. So next thing, come over to inner shadow, enable it and change it to white. So that is it. You can take this up a little bit. Yeah, so the next thing I did here, come over to shape, change the color to this yellow. You can check the color code F2E-A1A. That is it. Then reduce the size like this, reduce the size like this, and then come over to radius and let's leave it at +8. So that is it. So the next thing I did after I imported this, come over to shape, blur radius 100, opacity 0, stroke width 100, blur radius 100, increase it like reduce it like this. Click on this check mark and then drag it like this. Then take it here and take it behind this. So that was how I achieved this effect. You can still come to opacity and reduce it a little bit. So that is that. Click on this, copy it, and write NOA. You can come to inner shadow and disable it. Come to color and just take this color, reduce it like this, and then align it like this. So that is that. Next thing, copy this text and write quarterly. Then reduce the size, keep reducing it, and then place it here. You can come to stroke and add white stroke to it, increase it, something like this. So that is that. So the next thing I did here, come over to shape, change the color to gradient, which is this. Reduce it like this, radius, reduce it, drag it here. Then align it and come over to inner shadow, enable it and change it to white. So that is it. You can bring it up a little bit. Then come over to shape, radius, increase it, color, change it to yellow, and bring it like this. So place it like this, and then you write. You can write featuring. Change the font to this, and then reduce the size. Then you can copy it and then write. First of all, change it to white. Then you can write FOM conference national election. So that is it. That is that. So line spacing, increase it, then carefully align. So the next thing we did here, you can now copy this. You can now copy it and write, change it to green, and then and write Sunday, 6th July 2025, 1 p.m. Increase the size and place it here. So go to color, select just 1 p.m. and change it to black. So the next thing, so copy this and write all compulsory meetings for all members. Change it to black, reduce the size, and then that is it. So we are done with the design. Go ahead and save your work. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and that is it. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop any interesting videos, YouTube will notify you. So I'll see you on the next one.